Moon is the celestial body which is the closest to the Earth, and it's really important for preparing the long-term exploration of the solar system. All the 14 space agencies which subscribe the global exploration strategy decided that the ultimate goal of the solar system exploration is humans on Mars. And to reach this goal, we need to pass through a certain number of steps. Beyond the ISS, the next step is the Moon. The Moon being reachable in 2-3 days from the Earth, allowing us to put together a lot of technologies and a lot of experiments preparing for the human exploration of the Moon, and therefore as a step for the human exploration of Mars.
The responsibility for the lunar lander phase B1 is with Astrium Germany, with a major participation from Kaisertrede, Deimos and Jena Optics. The launch date for the lunar lander is in 2018. This will give us just enough time to complete the development of that, assuming, of course, that the full approval of the mission will be given at the next Ministerial Council. The lunar lander is a small but very challenging mission. The most important part of it is, of course, landing on the South Pole of the Moon, which requires innovative solution concerning landing, hazard avoidance, navigation. This is the mission which will bring about the new generation of navigation and guidance sensor, algorithm and software.
Clearly, what we can do on the Moon is to learn how to manage a complex system on the surface of another planet. And on top, in order to go to Mars and to live there, we need to develop a certain number of other technologies on which we are working right now. Europe can benefit today of the expertise developed by the European Space Agency through its participation to the International Space Station and through the capability we are developing with this lunar lander project.
The payload in the moment is composed of a traditional science instrument for planetology. There are instruments which are more oriented toward the human presence, radiation effect, dust.
Human spaceflight and exploration can only be a global undertaking. Europe can play a big role in that, and this is the only way for having humanity beyond our planet.